Hello people, good evening everybody, good morning, good afternoon. I greet you according to your time. Also now they fine my people. Now do as una take the help me take the share, comments, like God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, this video where una dey watch, so I will play am for una more and watch am. May we watch am together. I first tell una wetin happen. When I see this man wey dey for ground, so this man all those people wey be say body not complete to now understand. So the man get one leg, okay, so he can't dey cry for road because of wetin happen to am. So he can't get one mouth wey be say the video am come dey ask am say, why you dey cry, wetin dey happen? Because the man now is as I take talk am, wetin happen to am, so you not see person wey go help am, person wey go even talk to am. I know as our country bring Nigeria now, if they see say maybe you dey cry, somebody they not one near you to ask you say wetin dey go on, but some people dey wey be say go near you, come they ask you say wetin they make you dey cry, you know, maybe 1 out of 100, because everybody get the way they take they do for that our country. They not go mind you, they go where they go, they not even understand now in our country, which we know. So this man come they ask am, where the video and come they ask am say, wetin happen? Why you dey cry for main road? Even money even dey for grant for there. Now you come they tell the man say, wetin happen to am? Say he carry Olosho, una understand? Say one Olosho where he carry and go hotel. Not be say no how, okay? He just see am for maybe for road, so he can't carry am. They agree with the money, everything. He come tell am say no problem, he go pay. So he carry the Olosho go there, because it not mean say maybe his body not complete, he not go fit carry woman, because if you get your money, you better go carry. Now you go pass say you go first person, you know. You say as they reach the hotel now, when they don't settle everything, you don't know what it can happen, he can't sleep, you know. This Olosho what he do, he take a ATM card, he carry a phone, so he come out. So before he can wake up now, the girl not there again. He can they ask them for the hotel, say, see what happen. This girl I know what I know as hotel be now. They not go even mind you, because now you carry and come. All waiting be there, be say una enter, una still come out. So if the girl steal something for inside there, you not concern them, not be them give you the girl. So they not will take any responsibility of waiting you lost. So the man come like they cry for there, try to tell people, say make they beg, make them try to use their number to call this number where be say this woman carry. Nobody they mind now, nobody even care. So now only that the card na him get, you understand? Because money there for inside, everything there for inside. So the thing now he come fall for road, just they try to cry out who go help him. So now make this man the video and they ask him many questions. So he come tell and say, okay, may you give me your number. You be man where be say you not be small pikin, not just stay for road they cry like that, because the thing depend on say after he even carry this girl, not be say not pay her, he pay her. But why this girl go do like that? Why some Olosho they do something like that? That's the way this still be say you see the condition as it be. No matter which money you go think say he get where you want carry, he pay you your money. Try to leave a card for her, leave a phone for her. Why you go carry everything? I know say na so some Olosho they be they are the waiting that they give them, not they reach them. They go their eye go still there for waiting they your pocket. They want make they carry everything come out. You don't even pity the guy. You no pity at all. Say maybe this one not be person where be say they carry big car they go. The money where even get not be something like you don't understand now how much you go get. He pay you your money. You even leave am without nothing. So the man I make her come bust out, come they cry for road for them. But no help. You don't even know where the girl dey. Not be person where be say you carry, you know where he has dey, you know. Person where be say now Olosho where you see for where you see for road. Who you want go tell me bring the money, or you want go tell say now here for carrying or now here they stay, you know. So me I put the video when we hear, when we listen to that. Not easy, my people. Something they happen for that country. Olosho, Do your work. No, you listen.
Guy, what's up? What's happened, bro? What's happened? What's happened now? Talk. What's happened, guy? What's happened? What's happened? Your phone. What's happened to your phone? What's happened now? Talk. What's happened?
They collect my phone.
Who collect your phone? How? Bros, talk now. Talk to me. Make I know what's in the apple. How they take collect your phone? Talk now.
Now for hotel where I go, I don't know the name of the hotel. For this, I go place. Now there, I got it. I buy a drink. He go say he wants sleep. I go enter room. I don't know where sleep carry me go. He go carry my ATM.
Okay, carry girl, go hotel.
Yes.
You buy and drink, now you carry your ATM.
Yes, bro, they dey snap me abeg.
No. Guy, talk. Forget how they snap you. Talk. I want talk. Make I know how to help you.
I don't know anything.
Why you?
They took my phone. I go. Boy, why you? Abeg. Don't tell me that thing, okay? You know the good like why you dey do that?
Okay, guy, stand up. Talk to me now. So waiting to your phone.
My phone. I go club for lifestyle. As I go club for lifestyle, I don't know the girl before. I go call am. He come tell me say Mama don die. Say na the night Mama die. I don't
know the girl before. But they say Mama
don die. I go blame am because of the I see her village. I don't know say the girl get me shot. I don't know the girl before. I cannot go.
Drop your money with this.
People don't see.
People that see money. You dey beg money.
No.
Why they come that see money?
I say make you help me call my number.
Okay, your number dey switched off.
Yes, I beg. Bros, help me now. Help me now. I don't know this man. When I help me.
Where your money now? Where your call your number now, bros.
My brother is 090.
090.
090.
Okay, you know what's happening, guy. Come.
Come on, help me now.
How much with the phone?
Bro, I beg now.
How much with the phone, bro?
Come on, be on it.
Which phone be that? Which phone be that?
Bro, I beg now.
Bros, I know why they record you, they ask you this question. I know. Now, wow. You don't call your number. Wait till make your number. Don't they go again?
090.
You don't call your number.
I never call her.
Only your phone in TV. If any other.
No, give me 2,000.
Only your phone. The best.
Give me 2,000.
Bros, wait till you get it.
My ATM.
Keep your ATM.
Yes, on my phone.
Guys, stand up. Stand up. Bro, stand up. I said, man, stand up.
I don't stand up. My phone all lost.
Wow.
How
much be the phone, bros?
Nobody still one month. Nobody.
Guys, stand up. See how she dey stand. I don't get there to observe you. People they watch you. Stand up first. La man, you be. Hey, no, see, I beg you. Baba, carry your money. Take. If I don't fall for ground, they cry like what you take, bros. You know where the girl they stay?
I don't know where I carry her.
You don't know where you carry her?
I don't know for I go side.
No problem. Stand up, guys. Stand up. People they watch you. Stand up.
Wow, my people. Now, wow, this Olosho, their eye, he open, go reach back. Person like this. person like this, you go carry money. Wetin you want carry for there? Carry it for joiner. Now washa, mona be careful. I know say na so most of them they do. You get one way it happen for hotel where I even carry the video I put for you mona watch. He carry everything, golds, everything, the international passports. He carry everything. The man put on for his side, say, you know they come out. Now me and you sleep here. We must see that. We must see the gold and the passport where you carry. That one still go viral. See this one now. Man wey be say body not complete like that. You know even pity and say, okay, this one not be say still they manage. Hey, that our country. Now wow, Olosho people. More na suffering, sha. People wey get money for now they do all this one probably not they. Not be person wey see they manage itself they go. Anyway, my people, thank you for being here. Me to share this video so that people will still use until learn. One love, keep us together. Bye for now.